Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to text people or send messages on TikTok. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application and then at the bottom right click on the profile button, here it is. Then at the top right you need to click on the three lines button and then settings and privacy. And then you need to click on the second one option, privacy, here it is. Then you need to scroll down and find direct messages button, here it is. And then you need to click on the first one option and then set suggested friends or friends. So I will set friends, for example. So after that you need to go back again. And then you need to go to someone's profile. For example, I will go to the home page and then, for example, I will go to that one's person's profile. So if you want to send him message, you will see you can see message button. Like in my situation, all you need to do is to click on that one button and then send him some message, for example, hello. But sometimes you won't see message here, and that's because that one person said who can send him a message only for friends or no one. So if he said only for friends, you need to follow him and he need to follow you back, and only after that you will be able to send him message. So, and that's all, and that's how to text people or send messages on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.